you wanna know what pops to get, then pop on down to the Poppers Pit. Like, share, subscribe are the buttons to hit when you pop on by to the Poppers Pit.
What's poppin', Poppers? Welcome back to the Poppers Pit, the place where I share my love of Funko Pops with you. Now, I'm not in my usual pit. That's because I've decided to move the location of the pit. And I've built these shelves, and we're going to have this journey. As you can see, this is empty. Of course, soon it's going to be full of pops, just like this one. And we're going to just go on that journey together when it's ready. And it's going to look good. I think you'll like how it looks. But today, we're going to talk about this big box over here, because it's full of Funko Pops. And I don't know what they are. I ordered them from the Bands for Arms shop out in Anaheim, California. And I found them through Instagram. And they had, usually they didn't have online sales. It was purely in shop. But Nick, the owner, started selling online during the Corona, while everything was shut down for a while. Still not 100% open, but he started selling online, and I thought, why not? And part of the reason that I ordered is because 50% of all these orders go to help veteran nonprofit organizations. The store was founded in 2010 by Nick Mendoza, and he's a Navy man. But I don't think he's active. I think he's reserve, or he was discharged honorably. And he started a store where he sold bands, like wristbands, out of old uniforms. And they look really nice. I'll put the link for the shop below if you want to check it out and give a look, and if you want to buy one. But he made them, former service members, families of members, a whole bunch of people came in and made these bands. And then last year, he started selling Funko Pops, and I guess that's how it got into my feed on Instagram. And I followed them. The store looks great. I mean, one day I'll probably end up going to California and checking it out. But I ordered these, and I feel it's a good cause, because it's for charity. And Nick seems like a good guy. I've chatted with him a few times, and he has a French bulldog, so how can he be that bad? So let's first make my hopes of what I have in here. One of the things I like about Nick's setup with the Bands for Arms of the sales of the pops and the mystery boxes is that, like, he'll make little names about it. Some of them are a little, like, on the nail, like the Star Wars mystery box. But he's had a couple of, I won't say that he had beef, but some people weren't so nice to him, so he'd make little, he'd have fun with the names of some of the things that were of the mystery boxes that were being sold, that if you followed him and see the posts that he puts up, you know what they're about. So I find that fun. And he also, one of these things, Sean Taco's mystery box, he was selling pops to help raise funds for somebody who, I believe they donated their pops, and he was selling them to help raise funds for this person, or he's just selling them to help him because that's what he does. So let's talk about what we have. We have the hunt for the autographed pops. I don't remember which ones were in it, and I couldn't find the picture on the website. The second Marvel mystery box we have the DC mystery box, where I'm hoping I get either Bane or the Joker from Dark Knight, where he's the bank robber in the beginning. Sean's Taco mystery box, which I really hope I get that metallic blue genie, because that's a rare one. That's a vaulted item, and it's worth a little scratch. There's the I Just Can't Wait blind box, which I hope in this box right now is a Jiminy Cricket, because Jiminy Cricket is my mother's favorite Disney character. And as I've said in the past, part of my want to buy these pops is I feel like it's a part of me, and it's almost telling the story of me through pop form. So having a Jiminy Cricket up there, it would be telling the story that it's my mother's favorite Funko Pop, or not favorite Disney character in Funko form. There's the Pop Rocks, where I'm hoping John Lennon or Ozzy Osbourne's in here. Star Wars, I'm hoping for the original Han Solo or Obi-Wan. And there's a Marvel box that I bought that I'm hoping has the Winter Soldier or just something cool. No matter what's in here, they're pops. They can't be bad. So, all right, let's get to the part that I've been waiting for. If you're going to use a razor to open up things, people, just be careful. So, I'm going to just put this down here. And I'd like to remind everybody, when you cut open boxes, especially with pops, try to lift up the lid a little bit and try to get the tape as far away from the opening that you can. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, now I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell which is which blind box that the things were ordered from, unless it's the ones that I saw the pictures for. So let's see what we have here. Number one. Oh, very nice. He ships them in the in these things. Oh, look! It says hello. I can't wait. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Well, Nick, great packaging, and your crew at the store, great packaging. Like, these are individually packed. I have a box full of boxes full of pops, which means that the delivery is isn't damaged. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is I Can Wait It. I Can Wait. Oh, what do we? Oh, well. We have ourselves Babe Ruth. And it's not the Jiminy Cricket, but the Yankees is my mom's favorite team, so Babe Ruth, Cooperstown Collection. Very nice. Alright, so far so good. Gonna have all these boxes around. That's alright. I'll recycle them. Or reuse them. I have a lot of boxes. Another I Can Wait. Alright. And not only are they boxed, but they're also bubble wrapped. So, once again, great shipping. Alright. Oh! Well, as some of you know, I wrestle as King John Broadway. But in my hand right now, I have Queen Elizabeth. And not Miss Elizabeth, but Queen Elizabeth II. She doesn't have her little, what's that? Corgi with her, but Queen Elizabeth II. Alright, you know what? These are good so far. I'm feeling lucky. Let's see what we got here. This one's Sean's Tacos. So, one of my good friends is named Sean, so maybe that'll give me some good luck to getting that genie. And, Black Bolt. Ooh. From Marvel's Inhumans, which is, exclusive. Oh, I think this one's the metallic one. Very nice. Black Bolt Blue. Nice, the PX exclusive. The Inhumans are they're technically mutants in the universe. I actually saw the ABC show that they had. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't the best, but I was a little disappointed that they weren't going to that they canceled it and they couldn't build up on the story. Alright, so this one's an I Can Wait. I should have wrote down how much of each I bought, that way that I know. Alright. I Can Wait. Oh, okay. Kevin Durant from the Brooklyn Nets, which is fitting because of I hail from, Kevin Durant, number 7. There we go. The Brooklyn Nets used to be the New Jersey Nets. And they look good. So far, I am not disappointed one bit. Another I Can Wait. Okay. Oh, cool. We have Jeff Hanneman from Slayer. So I'll keep this by myself, Park Pops. That way it keeps the hippies away. Because hippies hate Slayer. Alright. Oh, this one's a little bigger. You know, this is another I Can Wait. Whoa! Let's go with this one. Another Sean's Tacos. Let's try to see if I can get one of the Star Wars ones going here. Okay. This was a DC one, so let's see who we have. Alright. Oh! Well, look at that. We have Catwoman from Batman Returns, the movie. There you go. Very nice. Excellent movie. This is another DC. Oh, no way. No way. Sweet. I got the Murder Machine from the Batman Dark Knight's Metal. Nice. Nice. If you watch my other videos, the Batman Day one, we talk about the Dawnbreaker and the Batman Who Laughs. This is the Cyborg meets Batman, evil Batman. So, thank you. And so, another funny story about this is that this was on the Hot Topic website and then it was gone. So I'm just glad that I ordered it. Thank you. So, that's a good one. All right. Oh, hello. This one was a Marvel one. And we have Eric Killmonger, who glows at the dark, the villain from the Black Panther movie, which I'm filming this the Tuesday after. Unfortunately, the actor who played Black Panther died. And so this is good that I got this. And this one came in a protector, too. Here. This is... Oh! Oh, no. Oh, you... Oh. This one's the Star Wars one, and this is the seventh sister from Star Wars Rebels. I watched the entire Rebels series and Clone Wars, and oh, this is good. This is a rare one now. This is a Walmart exclusive, so I've done good. Okay. This one is the Pop Rocks. So let's see who we have here. Oh, wow. This is actually pretty cool. Because I was thinking about getting this one if I saw it really cheap. Post Malone. I don't, I'm not big into his, like, I can't I only know a couple of his songs, but I really enjoy his voice. And if you YouTube him singing Santeria by Sublime, he does an excellent cover of it. So, good. Post Malone. And I don't know if you know of his brother, Home Malone. I got that from Kenny. Alright. This is a DC2. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have ourselves a Batman. Red Rain. This is the where Batman turns into a vampire. Alright, so we are down to 2. And I think let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. I miscounted. It wasn't 18, it was 13. I think. Oh. We have the Taskmaster from the new Black Widow movie, and this is the this is the version from Walmart where Taskmaster in the comic books replicates the movements and abilities of heroes or well, just anybody, and this one, ironically, is the one that he has sharp claws like Black Panther, which, as I said earlier, I'm recording this after the actor who played Black Panther died, so it's quite fitting that I received that one. Okay. This is the last one. And it's the I Can Wait. I'm kind of really hoping I open it and it's Jiminy. And if it's not, it's alright. I feel like Charlie and Willy Wonka. Nope. It's alright. What do we have here? Oh, this is Korra from The Legend of Korra. It's a Nickelodeon show. I think it's a anime type thing. I've never seen it, but it looks really nice. So I'll have to look into that a little bit. Alright, so I have here a whole stack of pops, and I'd like to thank Nick. I'll probably see if there's more that they can order. This was really fun. I enjoy helping out people, because by ordering through them, you help out the veterans and all his other organizations. And I think I did pretty well with this, to be honest with you. So thank you. All right, so I'm going to put the Bands for Arms information in the profile down below. Hit that like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, check the old videos. I'm going to post more videos more often. Just try to get with it. And, you know, let's end this one on a pop.
Thanks for popping by. Make sure to please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, as well as pressing that bell icon. That way you can be alerted the next time the Popper's Pit has a new video. Also, check out my other videos. Leave a comment. Check out the description, which has a couple of links to the Pals of the Pit. Alright, can't wait to see you next time.
Like, share, subscribe are the buttons to hit when you pop on by to the Poppers